Introducing the Sikky Universal LS3 Swap Air Intake System. The final piece to any LS swap is a proper fitting, high-quality air intake system. Gone are the days of cobbling together pieces from multiple manufacturers that don't fit correctly and have terrible flow. Now you can use our superior solution to this problem, a complete intake system with universal fit. True to Sikky design and engineering, we started from the ground up, designing specific couplers and an intake air filter to our spec, and then packaged it all together in a great looking and performing product. The key features of this LS3 universal intake system are that it's designed around a 4-inch CNC bent aluminum tube, coupled with our LS3 billet aluminum MAF bung, and then topped off with a gray powder coat for maximum durability. The Sikky filter is high quality, dry flow air filter, which means it's non-oiled, so it keeps your mass airflow sensor happy. The intake system comes complete with high quality, multi-layer silicone couplers. The 90-degree coupler features a long and a short leg, further increasing the customizability of this intake system. By flipping the 90 one way or the other, you can run the shorter leg towards the throttle body, allowing a super compact, tight to the engine intake, or flip it around and run it long leg in, creating more space to front drive kits and different pulley configurations. All necessary high-quality clamps are provided for the installation. This universal LS3 intake is designed to work with the factory-style LS3 card mass airflow sensor. This is just one of the many LS swap intake system configurations we make. Make sure to check out Sikky.com and all of our intakes to learn more.